Good morning, students. The previous class we have learned about interior of the earth. What are the three layers? The crust, mantle, and core. The crust is composed of silica and aluminum and sema. It is therefore called the lower part of a continuous zone of denser basaltic rock forms ocean floor comprising of silica and magnesium called sima. Then mantle is the next layer next to crust. It is separated from the crust by a boundary called Mohorovic discontinuity. Then the innermost layer of the earth is called the core. Another name for that is barosphere. It separates from mantle by a boundary called Weichert-Gutenberg discontinuity. After that, the earth movement. Because of some natural changes, the earth moves. The lithospheric is broken into a number of plates known as lithospheric plates. Asthenosphere is the part of the mantle that flows and move the plate of the earth. இப்போ அந்த லேண்ட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் வந்து ஒன்று ஒன்று அப்படியே தனித்தனியாக பிரிஞ்சிருது ஒரு பிளேட்டாக. The movement of the earth lithosphere plate is known as tectonic movement. The energy required to move this is produced by internal heat of the earth. Now we are going to see after that these plates, what happened, the movement of these plate causes changes on the surface of the earth. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called as endogenic, and the force that work on the surface of the earth are called exogenic. Because of this, endogenic forces, sudden movements like earthquakes and volcanoes cause mass destruction over the surface of the earth. Because of this sudden movement, due to sudden movement, earthquake, volcano disasters form. Now we'll see what is an earthquake. Earthquake means what? A sudden movement or a trembling of the earth, shaking or trembling of the crust is called as earthquake. The point where the vibration originated is called the focus. The point of the earth surface directly above the focus and the or opening, that is called as focus. Above that it is called as the epicenter. From the focus, the earthquake vibration travels in different direction in the form of seismic waves. How the earthquake is measured? With the help of an instrument called seismograph. And it was measured in what scale? Richter scale. The numbers on the scale ranges from 0 to 9. இப்போ Richter scale 7 Richters இருக்குன்னா it is medium, 9 Richtersனா full. அந்த அளவுக்கு shaking, sudden movement is there. So, causes of the earthquake. The chief cause of earthquake is the sudden slipping of the portion of the earth crust along fractures of fault. இப்போ earthல இப்போ எதனா ஒரு இடத்துல நம்ம பானை அதெல்லாம் ஒரு கிராக் இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும், அந்த கிராக் வந்து பெருசாக பர்ஸ்ட் ஆகிடும். இந்த சேம் வே எர்த் கிரஸ்டில் தெர் வாஸ் அ கிராக், ஃப்ராக்சர் ஆர் ஃபால்ட். அது வந்து என்லார்ஜ் ஆகிறப்போ இட் வில் பர்ஸ்ட் அவுட். The movement of the molten rocks underneath the surface produce strains which break the rocks apart. The sudden shifting of landmass causes upheavals in the crust of the earth, sending vibration of waves into the surrounding portion of the earth. Another cause of earthquake is volcanic activity. How volcano is formed? Because of the heat, temperature and pressure under the ground. It will explode. Okay, va? A violent or explosive eruption causes the earth in its vicinity to quake. Earthquakes are often common in most volcanic area. Effects of earthquake. Earthquake may cause changes in the earth's surface. A great danger, fall of buildings because of this earthquake. நிலநடுக்கத்தால் பில்டிங்லாம் அப்படியே பூமிக்குள்ளே விழுந்து அப்படியே அமுங்கிடும். Most of the houses which collapsed were made of mud and bricks and proved to be the death traps. அதுக்குள்ளே மக்கள் மாட்டிக்கினா அவ்வளோதான், அவங்களால எடுக்கவே முடியாது. ஓகே. An earthquake is originated below or near the sea causes a great disturbance in the water. Because of that only the flood wave caused great loss of life, sometimes more than earthquake itself. இப்போ இந்த ஃப்ளட்லேயும் நிறைய loss of life will be there and properties. Tsunami, a Japanese term, is the name given to the huge wave caused in the sea by an earthquake. Okay, distribution of earthquakes, where all this earthquake often happen. Closely with that of volcanoes, region of greatest seismicity or circum-Pacific area with the epicenter and the most frequent occurrence along the Pacific Ring of Fire. In India, the Himalayan region and the Gangaputra Valley are prone to earthquake. Himalaya, India, where it occurs often, earthquake in Himalayas and in the Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Okay. Now volcano. Volcano is a vent or an opening. Volcano வந்து ஒரு opening. நிலத்தடியில் நிறைய temperature pressure ஆல it will burst out. Opening in the earth crust through which hot magma erupts from deep below the surface. The opening is usually circular in form. Volcanic eruption may also take place through a long crack or fissure through which steam and other material flow out. The molten rock material within the earth together with gases is called magma. After it rises to the surface, உள்ளே இருக்கிறது அப்படியே அந்த நெருப்பு புழம்புகள் கொதிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறது என்னது magma. அது மேலே வெளியில் வர்றது larva. These larvae and other materials flow out of volcano, accumulate around the opening and form a conical hill of a mountain. Vent is an opening of mouth of a volcano. அப்போ அதை சுற்றி இருக்கிறது என்ன ஆகும், எல்லா இடமே அஃபெக்ட் ஆகும். Top of this cone marked by a funnel shaped depression which is called as a crater. If the crater of the volcano of great size and is shaped like a basin, it is called caldera. Calderas are caused by violent explosion which blow away entire tops of great cones. Then causes of volcanic next page. Okay. Causes of volcanic activity. The temperature increases as the depth increases at the rate of 1 degree centigrade for every 35 meters. There is also great pressure at a depth of about 15 kilometers. Under these circumstances, interior of the earth is in a semi-molten state called magma. இந்த மாதிரி high temperature increase ஆக என்ன ஆகும், the interior of the earth is in a semi-molten state called magma. The magma under pressure has the capacity to dissolve great volume of அங்கே இருக்கிற கேஸோடையும் சேர்ந்து it will burst out. Nature of volcanic eruption. It depends upon its size, its form, everything. Magma rises slowly to the surface and spread over a vast area. This is known as fissure eruption. திடீர்னு அப்படியே நெருப்பு பிழம்பா வெளியில் பீறிட்டு அப்படியே வெளில வர்றது வந்து என்னது, fissure eruption. Some plateaus and plains have been formed in this way. Deccan Plateau in India and Columbian Plateau in North America. Make a note, volcanic form ஆல தான் நம்ம இந்தியாவும் நார்த் அமெரிக்காவும் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு. If the magma rises quickly to the surface, larva is thrown high into the atmosphere. Larva flow is affected by viscosity. Honey has high, example honey has high viscosity. அப்படின்னா அது வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும், லிக்விட் ஃபார்ம்லேயும் இருக்காது, சாலிட் ஃபார்ம்லேயும், இட் இஸ் அ விஸ்காசிட்டி, ரெண்டும் மிக்ஸ்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் ஃப்ளோஸ் ஸ்லோலி. வாட்டர் ஹேஸ் லோ விஸ்காசிட்டி. தென் types of volcanoes: shield volcano, cinder cone volcano, composite volcano. Shield volcano formed by quiet eruption of lava with a low silica content. Next one is cinder cone volcano. Here silica rich magma trap gases inside the volcano until enough pressure is built to push the magma out of the earth crust. Next one is composite volcano, or made of alternate layers of lava, cinder and ash. Okay. There are volcano grouped according to their periodicity. எவ்வளோ நேரம் அந்த volcano வெளியில் வெடித்து அது வெளியில் வந்து இருக்கிறதுக்கு அதுக்கு என்ன பேர்? ஆக்டிவ் வேல்கனோ. there are 3 types: active volcano, dormant volcano, extinct volcano. Here these are the 3 types of volcano based on the shape பிரகாரம் shield shape, cinder cone volcano, composite volcano. This one is based on the eruption, periodical eruption. Active volcano that erupts frequently are called active. Most of the active volcano lies along the Pacific coast. Dormant வந்து slow, no sign of activity. Extinct volcano, top of extinct volcano mountain have been eroded. Distribution of volcanoes where it is found: the circum-Pacific belt, the mid-continental belt, the mid-Atlantic belt. Okay, in these places these volcanoes were found. Appo in this lesson we are learning interior of the earth. There are 3 types of layers and the layer la enna paathom. After that, because of this tectonic movement, earth movement many different lands are formed. Earthquake, disaster pragaram, earthquake, volcano we have seen in this lesson. Earthquake what all it happens, causes, effect, where it is found. Then volcanoes different types based on its shape and based on its periodic time. Okay va? Okay, thank you children.